I actually lived through as a college student the great stagflation of the 70s. And I think there are a lot of differences. First and foremost, the 1970s were a decade of um, pretty substantial policy mistakes in monetary policy. And I think central bankers learned their lesson, and I would not see a repeat of those policy mistakes. But more broadly, I don't think my baseline case is not for stagflation over a medium run horizon. It sort of has a flavor of that right now. I mean, for example, in the third quarter in the U.S., because of the bottlenecks, most folks are tracking a pretty modest increase in aggregate demand in the third quarter with higher prices. But I don't think that's going to be the trend going forward. But it's certainly something that policymakers need to be alert and attuned to, because as you know, Tim, that is a challenging environment for monetary policy generically, is a substantial, persistent adverse supply shock, because it pushes up inflation, which central bankers don't like, but it also can push up unemployment, which central bankers don't like. And so it's clearly something to pay close attention to, but it's not my baseline outlook.